Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Welltrade with MT5, MetaTrader 5. First of all, we need to open a demo account or real account, what you want, but we do a demo account. So we go to open account, then we click here on demo. You can check here the settings, but it's not necessary for now. So we click here on open account. And then right now we opened an account and they send all the information to our email address. So that's fine. Then from now we can immediately click here on download MT5. So we will do that. And if you don't have the option right here, we go to dashboard and then you can click here on the MT5. So right now I already downloaded it. So we click here on Welltrade setup. Then we click here on yes, next. And then right now he is downloading the Welltrade station. And then we click here on finish. And then right now he opens here immediately the MT5 Welltrade. So we click on this, then we do next. Then from now we click here on connect with an existing account. And then we go to our email where we have our information. So let's say we have here our trading passwords. So we copy that and paste it right here. And we want our account number. So that is this one. And then we go right here back, paste it here, Welltrade demo, then we do finish. And there it is. We connected Welltrade with MT5. So hopefully this is the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.